Hello guys, there are so many books out there which are extremely famous. You see them in bookstores, you see them on social media, you see people talking about those books. But just because there's a hype around a book and it's popular, that does not necessarily mean that you should read it. So that's what we are going to do in this video. We are going to check out these 5 books and see if they are worth the hype. First one up is The Secret. For me, the book was totally worth the hype. I would recommend it to everyone. I loved reading it. I loved the message that was conveyed from this book. I love everything about this book. Now, there's a little controversy behind this book that, some people say that what is conveyed in this book or the message of this book, they claim that it's not true or it's not possible. But at the end of the day, all the book is asking you is to keep a positive mindset, to think positive thoughts, to radiate positive energy. Even if for a moment, even if we assume that what is said in this book is not possible or is not true, there's no harm thinking those positive thoughts or sending out those positive energy. So definitely worth the hype and read it. Next one up is Ikigai. Now, if you ask me if this book was worth the hype for me, then my answer to that would be no, it was not. Let me clarify. When I say that this book was not worth the hype, I do not mean that this book was bad or not a good read. It was good, it was a good sweet read, but it was not a must read. It's not one of those books which you should definitely read. There are other books out there which are conveying the same message but a lot more with that. So for me, it was good to read but not worth the hype. Next one up is Sapiens. Now this one is a bit tricky. If I have to say if it is worth the hype or not, then I would say it is worth the hype. It is a good book, but at the same time I won't recommend it to everyone, especially to new readers, because this book can easily scare you away and you will be like, okay, we don't like reading, we don't like books. So if you are a new reader, I won't suggest you this book, definitely not. Now there are several reasons for that. The content can get a bit complicated at times. It can become a little difficult to understand. The book gets a bit boring at times. Also, the thickness, it's a very thick book, so it takes a lot of time to complete it. But if you are a voracious reader, if you really like reading, if you are very curious, if you like consuming knowledge, reading about different stuff, knowing different things, then this book is really great for you because it is full of knowledge, it is full of information, and you will love reading it. So if you ask me, is it worth the hype? Yes, it is worth the hype, but not for everyone. Next one up is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Now, if you ask me if this book is worth the hype, then my answer to that would be yes, it is worth the hype, but it's not one of those books which you will find interesting from the very first page or you will be into it from the very start. No, it's not one of those books. In fact, the first time around I picked it up, I left it after reading for around 50 pages because I found it a bit too spiritual, a bit boring for me, and I did not really connect with the book. Next time when I picked it up, I decided to read at least 100 pages before dropping it off again to give this book a fair shot. And to my surprise, I ended up liking this book a lot. I loved reading it. So, if you ask me, this book was definitely worth the hype. Next one up is Atomic Habits. Definitely worth the hype. One of the best books that I have read. I recommend this book to everyone, be it a new reader or people who are reading for so many years. This book is for everyone. The language of this book is very easy. It is easy to follow through. The author has done an amazing job in writing this book. There are so many books out there which just tells you that do this, don't do this. But what they don't tell you is how to do this, how to not do this. I mean, we all know that we should wake up on time, we should sleep on time, we should have a proper routine in our life, we should take a balanced diet, we should get proper sleep. But it's not very easy to incorporate all these healthy habits in our life After getting motivated, we do it for a day or two and then get back to our old messed up routine. That's what's so unique about this book. It doesn't just tell you that you should do that or you should do this. It also tells you how to do it, how to incorporate those healthy habits, how to build those habits. So, from that point of view, this book is really good because it actually gives you a cheat sheet. It gives you steps on how you can build those healthy habits in your daily life. One of the most practical books that I have read till date. I have not heard any negative review of this book. So, a very, very good book. Definitely worth the hype. So these were the 5 books and my views on them. Now, if I found a book worth the hype or if I found it not worth the hype, that does not necessarily mean that the book was good or bad. Know that was my personal opinion. In fact, I would love to know yours. So let me know whether you have read one of these books and if you have, whether you found them worth the hype. Thank you.